Hey buddy, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll show you the procedure to remove parental control in Epic Games. If you wish to remove parental control in Epic Games, you just have to watch this video right till the end. So what you need to do is first of all type in store.epicgames and log into your account. So as logged in, what next you want to do is click on the profile initials from the top right corner. Go to account from the drop down menu. As you go to account, you then need to go ahead and in the left hand side bar, select parental control. So here you have this parental control thing. You want to simply go there and you'll be asked or you need to enter this account's parental control. So you simply want to go ahead and enter in that and click on the continue button. As you do it, so what next you want to do is here you have this section, right? So if you want to remove it, so you simply want to go ahead and click on the remove button. You'll be able to find it here. Now then, what you have to do is to turn it off. You want to simply make sure that this is turned off. Always require PIN for purchase using Epic Games. Then you simply want to scroll down and here you have PIN required to get new content. Make sure that this is not selected or just click on unrated. And after you've done it, so you want to come to the top, go to social permissions, do the same thing, that is you just want to make sure that this is toggled off, and as per this Epic Games voice chat permission you want to give it all, and go to timeline as well and do the same thing for all of these. And once you've actually done it, so save the changes and automatically or indirectly you've removed parental control in Epic Games. This is how it's done. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.